Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by, and I really do appreciate you all. Today, we are making homemade powdered milk or milk powder. It's so quick and easy, so let's start making it. So now let's pour our fresh whole milk in the saucepan, and I'm using 4 cups of fresh whole milk. You can also use semi-skim milk or skim milk. We now need to stir it in order not to burn or become lumpy. Also, make sure that your heat is on the low to medium level. You keep stirring in order for it not to boil over and also become lumpy. Keep scraping the side of the saucepan and bring all the milk back in the saucepan. You have to be careful not to let your milk boil over. But unfortunately, that happened to me, and my cooker is now kind of messy, but it's all good. So make sure that you give your milk constant attention to avoid it being boiled over to create a mess, and also maybe you lose all your milk. Okay, so that is it. It's now thickened up like we are expecting, and you're going to let it cool down to room temperature. It's looking all good, and I hope you are inspired to do this as well in your home. Guys, it's now like this. It's dried up, but we need it to be more dried. So I'm going to break it apart into smaller pieces on this tray and then leave it in the sun for as long as it will take to get really dried. If you're enjoying this video so far, give your girl a big thumbs up, like, share, comment, and also if you are new, click on the red subscribe button, click on the bell button as well, and join this family. We are almost done, and look at that. It's looking all rich and it smells good. It's looking all good now, and it's time for us to put it in the sun. But unfortunately, where I live right now, for a week now, it's been raining all through. So I don't know how long it would take for it to get dried. But all the same, we're going to leave it by the window side and watch it get dried. Okay? I have covered it up so that no dirt will have their way in it. And guys, after a few days, we are back. Look at it. It's looking all dried. Looking all dried, and I like that. It's now time for us to blend it, and guys, you need a very good blender with a good blade to get your powdered milk very nice and smooth. I love it. Smells good. So lovely people, this is how we make milk powder or powdered milk from home. It's that easy and simple to make. It's now time to blend it, as I said, and I'm adding sugar. Okay, so add any amount that you like and then just blend it together. Let it blend until it's nice and smooth. We are getting there. It's blending smoothly, nicely. I can see that. Guys, have you given your girl a big thumbs up already? We are all done, and look at that. Homemade powdered milk. Just like that is done. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you are inspired. I'm going to enjoy my homemade powdered milk with some homemade gari, which is coming your way very soon. So guys, watch out. All right, and I'm going to pour this water away and then pour in another clean water. Yes, my goodness, I'm going to enjoy. It's just a snack for me, and yes, I love the smell of the milk. Smells so good. You mix it so well, mix it well properly, mix it properly. Yes, and then you can add a little bit of sugar and then peanut if you want. It's all done and you are all invited. See you all again in my next video. This is how I am storing it for some time. Bye all, stay blessed. Subscribe if you haven't already. Mwah.